Sure, I can help you with that. A full body workout at home typically involves exercises that target all major muscle groups. Here's a sample routine you can try. 1. Warm up. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio exercises like jogging in place, jumping jacks, or skipping rope to get your heart rate up and muscles warmed up. 2. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, bend your knees, and lower your hips as if you're sitting back into a chair. Keep your chest up and your weight on your heels. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. 3. Push-ups. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest grazes the floor, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push back up to the starting position. If traditional push-ups are too challenging, modify by doing them on your knees or against a wall. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 4. Lunges. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Take a step forward with one foot and bend both knees to create two 90-degree angles. Push through the front foot to return to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. 5. Plank. Start in a forearm plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to toe. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, focusing on engaging your core and keeping your hips level. 6. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, and shoulders form a straight line. Squeeze your glutes at the top and slowly lower back down. Repeat for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. 7. Mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position. Bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs, as if you're running in place while in the plank position. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds. 8. Plank variations. Challenge yourself with some plank variations like side planks or plank jacks to target your obliques and add some variety to your workout. Remember to cool down and stretch after your workout. Make sure to listen to your body, modify exercises as needed, and gradually increase the intensity as you progress.